Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use share screen on Messenger. So if you want to share your screen while you're talking on Messenger, then I'll show you the easiest way to do in this video. So the Messenger has just launched their new feature, which is that you can share your screen while you're doing a video call. Yes, you can continue your video call along with your screen share. So for that, first you have to simply make sure you have the Messenger and you're also logged in with your Facebook account. So just simply open it up, and after that just simply open the chat in which you would like to share screen. Initially you just have to simply do a video call like you normally do, and after that, once the video call gets picked up from the other side, then I'll show you how easily you can share your screen. Once the receiver receives the call, then what you have to do is that you have to click onto your screen, and at the bottom you can see we have five options. You have to click onto this middle one because this option is for screencast, or you can just screen share. If you click onto it, it will show you something like this, that share your screen. Then you just have to simply click onto it, and then it will ask you that are you really want to share your screen. Then you can just simply share your screen, and once you share it, you can just simply get back and start using your mobile phone, and whatever purpose you did it, like you can share your screen whatever you want to show to the other person, you can do it right there. Along with the screen share, you're also doing the video call, and you can just simply click onto this option and your screen will be shared. Like it will be a two featured thing, a video call and a screen share at the same time. So this is how you can share your screen on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.